Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive, amazing and most stylish collection of crochet, blouse designs, top designs, different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and amazing collection. You can see in front of you. You know, crochet is always beautiful. So dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet blouse designs and other materials like crochet women long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, crochet table cover designs, cushion cover designs, curtain, sofa cover, bed sheet designs, crochet jacket designs, fingerless gloves, long gloves, crochet baby material like crochet baby frock designs, baby sandal designs, crochet baby romper designs, slipper designs, boot designs also. Crochet jewelry like crochet necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings also. Feet jewelry, anklet designs and baby anklet designs also. So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video, subscribe my channel. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.